What's up, guys? Derek here from Big Boy Artistry. Hoping you guys had a good day. This evening, I'm going to be doing a ring pour with movement on an 18 by 24 canvas using purple colors. We're going to be using Silver by Artist Loft, Deep Violet by Liquitex, Light Violet by Artist Loft, and Neon Violet by Artist Loft. And I have a white base just to make sure everything flows smoothly if I need it. All right, like I said, 18 by 24 canvas. Here is my cup I got from Home Depot. It's just a regular quart cup, and I already have labeled how much paint I need for an 18 by 24 canvas. All right, now here we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the light violet first. So with the light violet, then we're going to do the dark violet. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, deep violet. And we're going to do silver. And then we're going to do the neon violet. Like I've said before, this is the pour that started it all. So which is why this is my favorite pour that I love doing so much. Every chance I get to do a ring pour, I always do this pour because this pour has so much that goes into it. It's just phenomenal. All right. Almost there, but what we're going to do is we're going to just keep going a little bit over just to make sure. All right. These are out of sync now, but it's okay. It's okay. It's all gonna come out beautiful anyway, so I am not worried about it. I'm just so excited to do this pour. It's ridiculous. So much fun doing pours like this, because I can never get the same exact pour twice. No matter how hard I try or how much I want to, it'll never come out the same. And that is what I love about doing ring pours. Let's get the last of the silver as my finisher. All right, we got my paint mixed up, ready to go. Just bring the canvas back into play here. There we go, right there. You know what? Let's get these out the way. I'm gonna get all of these out the way, just for right now until everything gets poured. All right. Here we go. Let's get it ready. Get that corner. There you go. And 1, 2, 3. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of deep violet there, but it's okay. It's okay, but it'll always come back out. I'm gonna come back. Ooh, I kind of like that. Right down the middle. All right, here we go. We're gonna hit the button. Pop some bubbles. All right. Now, like I've always said before, we're gonna go left to right and then top to bottom. All right. I like doing it like this because it stretches out what I'm looking to stretch out, and I like the way it looks. All right, top and bottom. It opens up the lines. Opens up the lines nice and big, so I can get a new design out. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're going to get that corner right over there. Yes, 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 yes. All right, we got that corner. Come on back. We're going to come on back to center, as always. Always come back to center. All right, and we're going to take care of this corner down here. There we go. Got that corner. We're going to come back to center. Look how these lines look already. I'm loving it already. And we're going to come back. We're going to get this corner down here. Like I said, I want to open up the lines, get everything going. I'm liking it. It's nice. I got a river of purple flowing through there. Beautiful colors, beautiful colors. I love this color. I love the shades that I chose. All right. So we're going to turn this around. We're going to turn this around because I want to bring that out a little bit more. So what we can do is we're going to tilt back down this way. Let's get them colors. Let's get them colors stretched out so we can get them lines, bring out more of those colors in them lines. All right. Come on down a little bit more. And there you go. I'm gonna bring it down, get that corner. All right. And there we go. There we go. I'm leaving it like this because I'm actually seeing something that I just picked up on when I put it down. Now, you go through paintings and you look for certain things, but then when you put it down and step back away from it, you see something totally different. Now, like for example, what I see here is a beautiful, beautiful shade of grays and purples right along here, which looks like purple flames, like right around here, which I like. I like that part right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get back up to that corner. See if I can bring them flames. Oh, there it is. Them flames are coming now. I'm going to leave that right there. Oh yeah, the flames are in now. So you got the sellage over here, all around in that area. You got some blended colors of purple and silver right there. All right, got a nice little purple pool right here in a little river. We're combining with fades and cells, and you have my little fire pit right here, I guess you call it. 3 or 4 things in one painting, which honestly I'm liking. Look over here, got some purple flames shooting up into the fades right there, which I like as well. Now, you looking at this, it looks like an eruption of flames coming this way. You get the flame shooting out this way, which I'm liking this piece very much. I'm not even going to torch it. Let's see, I'm not even going to torch it. I want to try and tilt a little bit more down here. See if I can't get a little bit more going. Which I am. I can get a little bit going. Okay. All right, there it is. It's coming. All right. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. Now this is the fun part. You start tilting and stretching a little bit more. Now it looks like a dragon spitting a fireball. All of that coming to right here. If the mouth is open, fireball shooting out. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like this piece. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Like I said, I'm not even going to torch it. I'm just going to sit here and enjoy this piece just like it is. As you can see, beautiful. Just beautiful. Awesome picture. Also, I love the purples, the purples and the silvers. The shading around here is awesome. Right around here. We got the lines in here, sellage in here, and a little pool going around the head. 3 items in one. You cannot beat that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, guys, I'm liking this painting. I will show you the finished product in a second, but I just want to say thank you for coming to my channel, viewing my photos, not my photos, my videos. Can't believe I said that. Thank you guys for coming to check out my videos. If you like any of them, go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm learning as I go. I got some videos up, but I'm learning about all of this stuff as I go. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, or questions, go ahead and feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll go ahead and get back to them as soon as I can. And you can also go ahead and check out my website, bigboyacrylicdesign.com, as well as check out the description. I'll have everything I used in the description. All right, guys. I would like to say thank you for coming. Hope you guys have a good night. Check out the dragon, and I'll see you guys again. Take care of yourselves. Be safe.